Historically, if an AI chatbot needed to interact with a paid service, it hit a wall that only a human could cross by manually providing an API key or a credit card. We are seeing a shift as AI systems transition into agents. These are actors capable of reasoning through a task, planning a workflow, and calling digital tools without constant oversight. This level of autonomy creates a financial vulnerability. If a bot can independently call tools, it can bypass corporate billing systems and generate thousands of dollars in unauthorized API charges, a threat known as shadow AI. To integrate these agents into the economy safely, developers had to build a secure digital wallet designed specifically for non-human actors. Two major technical solutions for this problem launched almost simultaneously: Amazon Bedrock Agent Core Payments and a service called Pay.sh, backed by the Solana Foundation and Google Cloud. These platforms take different paths toward the same goal, and the competition between them will determine how machines exchange value across the internet. AWS launched Agent Core Payments as a managed end-to-end cloud platform. It was built specifically to handle the governance requirements of corporate spending. The service is currently in preview across 3 specific regions: US East in Northern Virginia, US West in Oregon, and Europe in Ireland. The underlying infrastructure combines Coinbase's X402 protocol for service discovery with Privy, a wallet infrastructure specialist acquired by Stripe in 2025. The core of the system is the mandate. This is a cryptographically signed digital contract where a human defines the rules. You can tell a research bot, "You have a $1 budget for financial data, and this permission expires in 10 minutes. The agent autonomously finds the API it needs, but it cannot sign the transaction itself. Instead, Agent Core validates the request against the mandate and settles the payment, ensuring the bot never possesses the private keys to the wallet. Because payments are enforced at the infrastructure layer, every cent spent is logged and auditable. This model is designed for industries like finance and healthcare, where regulatory compliance is a prerequisite for any autonomous action. Just 1 week before the AWS announcement, a different model emerged: Pay.sh, a collaboration between the Solana Foundation and Google Cloud. Their philosophy removes the need for traditional corporate accounts. In this model, the payment is the credential, allowing a bot to access a service without a pre-existing subscription or an API key. Agents browse an open marketplace and pay for what they use in real time, often purchasing fractional API requests using USDC stablecoins. Using the Solana blockchain for settlement allows these microtransactions to clear in roughly 200 milliseconds. This creates a high-speed gig economy for bots, where the priority is open access and instant execution rather than centralized oversight. Regardless of the platform, the core risk remains the same. An autonomous system could potentially overspend or access unauthorized services. Solving this requires a standardized approach to safety that works across both cloud and blockchain systems. To address this, the IMF published a 3-layer architecture for agentic AI in Note 2026/004. This framework separates decision-making from money movement. Functional separation isolates the reasoning layer from the settlement layer. Even if an agent errs, it has no direct path to funds. We are seeing these rules become global standards. Google recently donated its Agent Payments Protocol, AP2, to the FIDO Alliance to ensure these cryptographic mandates work the same way across all platforms. These mandates act as tamper-proof evidence of user intent. If an AI hallucinates a need to buy an unapproved product, the authorization layer recognizes the lack of a signed mandate and blocks the transaction. This machine-to-machine economy is already operational. Open standards like the X402 protocol have processed over 169 million payments, proving that AI agents can participate in the economy while staying within human-defined boundaries. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button and share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more